Welcome to Candy Monsters, your learning partner.
Buzzz! Have you ever seen a bee flying near flowers? These tiny insects are super important. They help flowers grow and even make one of the sweetest treats in the world, honey. Today, we'll take a super close look at how bees live, work, and make honey. Get ready for an adventure. Are you ready? Let's buzz! Meet the honeybee family. A beehive is like a big city where every bee has a special job. The queen bee is the boss. She lays thousands of eggs to make sure the hive stays strong. The worker bees are always busy. They collect nectar, build honeycombs, and protect the hive. The drone bees have one job, helping the queen bee start a new family. Now let's find out how bees turn flower juice into delicious honey. Bees use their long, straw-like tongues to suck sweet nectar from flowers. It's like using a straw to drink juice. Then, they store the nectar inside their bodies and fly back home to the hive. Now comes the coolest part. Worker bees chew the nectar and pass it from bee to bee. This helps break it down and turn it into honey. Next, the bees store the honey inside honeycombs. These are tiny hexagon-shaped rooms. Now, the bees use their wings to fan the honey and make it thicker and sweeter. Finally, they seal the honeycombs with wax, like putting a lid on a jar. This keeps the honey safe and fresh for a long time. Now let us look into some amazing facts about honeybees. Are you ready? Fact number 1, bees dance to talk to each other. It's called the waggle dance. Fact number 2, a bee can visit 5,000 flowers in one day. That's a lot of flying. Fact number 3, it takes 12 bees working their whole lives to make just 1 teaspoon of honey. Wow, bees are so amazing. What's your favorite thing about bees? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Candy Monsters for more fun nature adventures. See you next time.
Subscribe to Candy Monsters, your learning partner.